That's an F-35. Look at him go. Number 2. Right there, to your left. There he goes.
I like how it gets like the fiery
Yeah.
color.
Yeah. Oh, here comes a Viper. There's an F-16. Right there. Yeah, he flips it up and down. Here comes number 2. Whoa!
That scared the poop out of me.
Okay, Lenny, show me your patch that you just got from one of the pilots. It's upside down.
Well, that's also
Yeah, that's
cool
how
at
he
an
was
air show.
flying. That's super cool. Was that so nice of him?
Yeah.